Can't see a name here. Brickstone. I don't know if you can even see that. Fun stuff, I guess.
Going down for a time. My friends are gonna be there too. I'm on the highways.
108. See what they got here. Fun stuff, I guess.
Ayaw mo picture niya pag muna ka.
Okay, that place was Brickstone Residencies. Can you see that? What's your name?
Malu,
Malu, how are you?
it's okay.
You okay? All right.
But now no good.
Now no good, why?
No customer.
No customer. What is this?
Hotel.
Hotel?
You know also there before LA Cafe? But now Big Night Heaven, no customer there. The bar.
Yeah.
No customer.
This is a bar?
Hotel.
A hotel?
Short time. 3 hours.
You should have a customer near the bar,
Going
right?
there, yes. Bar, hotel. Or short time. 3 hours.
I have no idea what the hell. Oh, short
Yeah,
hour. Oh. I see.
600 for 3 hours.
600 for 3 hours.
Yes, yes.
I see. Okay, I'm sure you're aware of what short time hotels are for, and the fact that LA Cafe is close to there is a good reason they should be making some money. Now, I actually went there to film a scene for my horror channel, and of course I got my actress at LA Cafe, but that's why I went there. You could believe me or not, up to you. And I thought, why I could get another video for my Highway to Hades channel, checking out this short time hotel. So I did. You're welcome. Interview. Yeah.
Tell me first, because I don't know. I told you, you made the
start
record,
over.
see?
It's okay. I'm just an interview, right?
Take two.
Take two. It's fine.
Okay.
Hello, here's my actress.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Pamela.
You like? We're not acting now.
Relax. I feel
Hey,
nervous.
what's your name?
My name is Pamela, babe.
Okay. How are you?
I feel now too much good.
You like being an actress?
Yes.
I appreciate it. I needed this.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.